Can a colorblind person become an architect? Yes, of course, a colorblind person can become an architect. In fact, I'm a colorblind architect and a designer. Studying architecture is one of the best majors to study, not just because architects are well paid and appreciated. It's a great opportunity to develop both technical and creative skills, and due to the wide range of skills involved, students studying architecture can find career opportunities in many industries. Color is an important part of any designing field. So the question is, as a colorblind person, what are the challenges you might face? I can tell you that while you are enjoying studying architecture at the university and learning all the skills, being colorblind wouldn't be so challenging because the education system is based on learning design skills and knowledge, drawing plans and sections, working with AutoCAD, knowledge of building and construction, developing ideas, and so on. So when it comes to using colors in your projects, you can use any colors you want. And if you have any trouble deciding, you can always ask a friend, classmate, or a family member for help. But on the other hand, after graduation, when you start working as an architect, you have to use colors according to your client's need. And especially in interior design, clients would ask you for so many suggestions, and there would be a variety of materials to pick the right one for each project. To make it clear for you, just have a look at the different colors of tiles, wallpaper, paint, fabrics, and furniture, and everything should match with each other. But don't be scared. I can tell you that most of the time clients will tell you what colors they want to have in their projects because they have thought about it for a really long time, and they will even provide several images to share the concept they have in mind with you, and you only need to suggest some parts or correct them if there is a room to improve. Another good point is that you will work as a team, so choosing or selecting colors wouldn't be that challenging, and by the time you will learn how to handle any situation, and sometimes things will go wrong, and it's okay. Another fact is that not all good architecture depends on complex color interaction. Some design philosophies will be greatly affected by color perception, and others not at all. But if you don't want to face all of those challenges, there are other majors that you can study, such as architectural technology, building science, city planning, urban design, civil engineering, or construction management. What I learned as an architect and a designer is that creativity is the path to success. And if you really love to design and bring ideas to reality, nothing can stop you, especially not seeing a few shades of color. You can learn how to work with colors and use them in your project. It's the same as you would learn about architectural rules or how to work with 3D software and rendering. You need to learn about color combination and color schemes, like any other designers, but as a colorblind person. I know when we talk about color combination and color schemes, we feel uncomfortable, but let me tell you a secret. Normal vision people learn about color combination from childhood by just looking around, by seeing how people match their outfits or in nature. But we are not like them. We memorize colors mostly. Grass is green, sky is blue, or wood is brown. I have collected all of my secrets and tricks about using colors over the years working as an architect, and I will show you now how you can succeed in this career. The first thing you need to learn is about primary and secondary color psychology. You should learn what color is good for which environment to evoke a special emotion. The color you should use for a bedroom is completely different from the colors you use for a restaurant or an office environment. You can easily learn about color psychology by seeing real-life examples of different logos to understand them. Another thing that most colorblind designers have a problem with is using the color picker in software to select the right color. The most common mistakes, for example, are between light green and yellow, purple and blue, dark red or dark green with brown color. By learning the color system and color codes, you can easily solve this problem once and forever. Even for 3D software, you can download a file that includes different shades of each color as a texture to make sure you will not have problems with your rendering. One of the most important things you and any designer should learn is color combination, which are called color schemes. Color schemes are a simple system that is used to know which colors go well together. For example, red and green like Christmas, or purple and yellow, or blue and orange, which are so popular in modern architecture design to create an exciting and calm environment at the same time. This system works with a tool called COLORWILL. And just by learning how to use it, you will not have any problem matching colors anymore. This is the same tool that is used in any design project or even in the fashion industry. And you can use it to match your outfit as well. To get access to all of the information and guides as you see here, there is a link in the description called Colorblind Guide, the Creative Course. Besides all of the things that I mentioned, there are several helpers you can use, such as websites that create beautiful color palette in a second, or software and applications to recognize colors in a real environment or on the computer and images. Additionally, in this package, there are a few videos that show you how I use colors in my 3D projects and in real life by designing a living room. It's a step-by-step video from the beginning to the end. There is another video that I show you how by using different color schemes in one environment, we can design a bedroom according to our client's need. And so many more things that will help you to gain confidence when it's come to using or choosing colors in your project. It's true that people usually concentrate so much on what they can't do that they might forget what they are capable of or what they are good at. It's the same for colorblind people. Don't let not seeing some shades of color or some bad experiences that might happen distract you from what you can do. So if you learn all the things that I mentioned in this video, then most of your problems with choosing color will be gone. And after a year of working in this field, you will have your own way of handling any project. Trust me, you can do it.